Well, securities prices rebounded at the stock market during the weekend transactions. The market index, which is a prime measurement for growth, ticked up by 0.17%, showing recovery beads on prices. John Holt's came top with advantage of price calculated at 0.88%. Orders in the trade bracket were Honeywell, Livestock Feeds, Cornerstone Insurance, and First Bank Holdings. In reverse, price decliners in the market included Academy Press, C&R Leasing, Access Holdings, Africa Prudential Insurance, and Japan Holdings. Global stocks turned weaker today as Asian stocks tracked overnight losses on Wall Street, even as bond yields slid and amid the revival in bets that the Federal Reserves will cut interest rates in June. Chinese stocks drew some support after official figures showed the economy expanded 5.4% in the fourth quarter year-on-year, much stronger than expected, and putting full-year 2024 growth at 5%. Mainland Chinese blue chips were up 0.3%, while Hong Kong Hang Seng Index added 0.14%. Japan's Nikkei slumped 1.1% as MSCI's World Index edged down 0.05%. Its broadest index of Asian Pacific shares lost 0.4%. Meanwhile, U.S. S&P 500 futures pointed 0.1% higher after cash index closed down 0.2% overnight. And China's National Bureau of Statistics says the country's gross domestic product expanded by 5% in 2024, meeting China's preset annual growth target of around 5%, fueled by a slew of policy measures taking effect gradually last year. According to the National Bureau, the country's annual GDP came in at 134.9 trillion yuan, which represents $18.4 trillion in 2024. For the fourth quarter of 2024, the Chinese economy grew 5.4% year-on-year, following a 4.6% growth in the third quarter. China's value-added industrial output grew by 5.8% year-on-year in 2024, as the figure rose by 6.2% in December, following a 5.4% growth in November. Well, crude oil prices rose today and headed towards a fourth consecutive weekly gain as the latest U.S. sanctions on Russian energy trade hit supply and pushed up spot trade prices and shipping rates. Now, U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude rose to sell for $78.73 per barrel with an upsurge of 0.06%. Brent also experienced a downward price margin of 0.10%, selling at $81.21 per barrel. Bonny Light sells for $78.62 with a decline of 2.84%, and for the OPEC basket, crude dealers offer $81.72 with an upsurge of 4.85%. Well, that's our package from the business desk. We'll take a break. Next is Sports News. Stay with us.